Saya baru dapat.
Genap Bu, tinggal namahan gitu ya.
Sudah.
Entar
Ini kira-kira banyak.
jumlah juga.
Kita sudah banyak.
Jumlah outputnya ya orang tambahan lagi di ini.
Ya itu udah mulai dari jam 11 ya itu. Udah acara dulu. Makanya baru biasanya mah ada di gedung itu kan tahun.
Tas sudah mau ternyata cuma aku mah dulu
Udah dikasih kartu ya. Sosialisasi.
10.000.
Nanti mereka ada
Bu, 10.000 ya.
Kita SKT ini nggak anak-anakku harus Indonesia, jadi belajar bahasa Indonesia gitu. Ada anak apa hobi miliknya masih gitu. Ini kan harus biasa kan ya. Ini teh S2 S1 Bu. S2. Anak S2 jadi KMB ya. Semuanya KMB kalau program yang di luar mah bisa itu fakultas masing-masing.
Cuma Epo cobaan dari 40.
Masih tahu ya beberapa fakultas ada yang masih belum. Saya tahu dari sini.
Epo na udah 40 Bu. Bateuing nggak bateuing? Kalau bateuing kita baru 40. Nah, sudah terapal kan ke 2024 tuh. Tahu dia sekali tak ya kemarin sekali ya. Nggak diajukan ya teh itu kayak itu kan. Terus ya 820.
Biasanya ke 840.
Ya.
Bisa dibatalkan ya seperti melewat tanggal 20-nya tinggal satu rencana
Mas udah pikiran ini.
yang ketinggalan.
Gara-gara ini keluar ke sana balik di no KB di no di kuasa. Kali teh kamu ya kanu katanya WhatsApp. Ya, ya. Assalamualaikum Pak, masih lupa. Orang dirjen WA. Waalaikumsalam. Disuruh ke Dirjen Jakarta, ya imigrasi. Waalaikumsalam. itu akan
lihat lagi
Kang masih di rumah masih kan ini Jakarta Dirjen aman Cina bisa bulu tengah dia tebus hai oke
Tong kita sama atau ibu makan dulu makanya dari iya saya dari terakhir ya sama aku hukum semester 5 oh ini terakhir skripsian lagi ngebul deh kemarin baru selesai sempro jadi tahun ini tahun apa ya jadi full di sini ya kalau
ada Bu Ica dia teh minta namanya teh kata jurnalnya nah si Rudi si Cudi datang yang mau ada tiket identitas gitu.
Jadi sekarang pusatnya di sini ya mahasiswa-mahasiswa jadi kalau bubaran tuh banyak banget ya bedanya kos di sini atau Bandung kos Bandung dari Jakarta kalau teteh aku ngekos juga dari Bandung dari Bandung tapi jauh juga semakin sih oh iya kalau kelas pagi kan gimana ya jauh-jauh gitu iya bisa pindah pusat ke sini dari kota gitu bisa pindah tapi nggak ada apa kan ada bus
Waiting for the bus
ini harga pelajar berarti
Masih, saya tetap naik travel.
oh jangan langsung
Kalau cuma buat para bisnismen mungkin ya.
atau kartu pelajar gitu nggak
Semoga deh.
pelajarnya 150.000 kan kalau nanya cepet sih
Ya,
lumayan lumayan kalau cuma sama jalan doang biasanya kalau sakit sih lain sih gratis bayar asuransi saya karena kalau nggak di asuransi jauh
Assalamualaikum. Ibu, sehat?
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam. Tiduri. Ibu.
kamu main juga ya?
Itu sayur naik kuda. Ayo pakai gitu. Tadi itu tiket gitu.
Tiket teman kita.
Ah, cing buka lah itu tiket saya kan di sini. Namun udah pada makan belum?
Atau sedikit.
Nah itu tuh ada makan itu sok makan dulu. Nek tuh makan dulu Nek sama itu sama silakan.
Iya, saya ini coba bikin kami yang ada di bawah. Kalau dia kan itu seperti ini.
Jadi tidak ikut ke sini jadi
Ya, saya belum
katanya sakit jadi
masih sakit.
dia sakit apa?
Sakit hati dulu saya. Bukan dulu.
Kalau sakit hati balik lagi hati.
Iya, dulu saya ke Bandung di kosan dia ya lagi sakit. Tapi waktu itu sering dia seperti vomiting dia seperti itu. Tapi sudah pernah ke hospital masih pakai obat. Minggu yang lalu saya belum pernah lagi Bandung, jadi tidak tahu sebenarnya gimana.
Enggak soalnya kan kalau sakit jadi nanti ini kan ada dari asuransinya. Jadi nanti biar sekalian bertanya.
Iya, iya. Hari ini saya mau
Saja
2 kali, tapi
kita tidak tahu dia itu sakit apa.
Iya.
Jadi
Saya mau dia
udah berapa kali di itu sakit kena mah. Cinggu itu
Iya,
tahu. Benar itu Rudi, lu yutong lah ya. Kita masih nori dia.
Mbak Rose. Karena yang saya tahu waktu itu dia pergi ke hospital sendirian. Jadi waktu saya datang di kosan dia, pergi ke farmasi untuk beli obat doang. Dia bilang tidak ada tes untuk makanan atau dia apa-apa. Ini mulutnya tidak. Iya, iya. Jadi kami waktu itu beli obat untuk itu aja di farmasi. Tapi dulunya dia sudah pernah pergi ke rumah sakit sendirian. Tapi saya tidak tahu, tidak nanya kalau di rumah sakit mana dia ada salah apa. Dari minggu itu saya tidak pernah lagi di Bandung. Jadi saya pengen lagi.
Suruh ke Borongnya sekolah di Bandung.
Iya, iya.
Iya. Saya nggak lihat.
Madam selisih ji. Kurang sama. Katanya sih, nah si Rudi teh mere tiket si itu.
Di sini mah ini S3. Udah lama. S2-nya di sini. Itu lagi S3.
Kita kan betul.
Ya. Itu baru news.
Iya.
Oh, pernah sakit?
Iya, mungkin 2 kali.
Iya, bisa tadi. Mana si Eta ya 2.
Tapi waktu itu saya sakit ini. Cuma 2 kali itu mata saya itu seperti ganti warna, ganti merah satu warna. Ya, jadi saya pergi sama dokter. Terus bilang tidak akan di sini. Ya, dia bilang nggak ada acara, saya nggak tahu acara itu gimana.
Aduh. Pindah sana mulai ke Kanem Bogor. Iya. Iya.
Oh, sini mulai di operasi.
Ya.
Saya sarapan terlambat.
Jadi makan siang. Nanti mau makan.
Itu bu itu begitu ya pabrik itu.
Sampai aku sama ini di sini lagi nengok.
Ya di sini jangan jauh-jauh. Udah jamnya ya bu ya.
Iya aku bisa lihat.
Terus tidak ikut bilang.
Ikut pertukaran pelajaran juga. Mirip baik kali itu kan Pak. MBKM di mau ikut pertukaran pelajar diungkap kumaha prosedurnya.
Insurance.
Ada yang masih mau datang? Sudah datang semua. Hilda datang.
Nah, emang masih ada perwakilannya nanti aku soalnya
Udah di mana kayaknya bu?
Itu terus tidak ini bilang masih di kelas ada UAS presentasi.
Nggak apa-apa nanti yang
nggak
itu
apa-apa.
menyusul saja. Ya, terima kasih ya Bu Asri dan Bapak Ibu atas waktunya.
Good afternoon guys. Assalamualaikum. Semoga sehat selalu ya. We are from CPKN Sri
Kawaluyan Hospital, Kota Baru Parahyangan, and then Santo Yusuf Hospital, Ciputra. So we are part of Borneo Group, JPKM Sulawesi Merah Life Insurance, and then Miss May will explain to you how to use JPKM Sulawesi Merah. Thank you, Mbak Uji. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Okay, my name is May. I'm staff trained service. So if you go to hospital, your resume is will accept by me. Okay. Okay. The first is JPKM Sudah Seminar for international students. JPKM is health insurance, which is part of Boromir Group. Boromir Group since 1999. Yeah. So our Boromir is hospital like Mogi Safe, Boromir Hospital, Santo Yusuf Hospital, Saya Kawaluyan Hospital, and then Kawaluyan Hospital at Kuningan. Okay. Next. Okay, this is our office in at Insinyur Juanda number 101 Bandung. Yeah, so if you need some help for any question, you can go to our office or you can call hotline service JPKM. Next. Okay, Unpad International Student is one of membership for JPKM. So the package taken is the executive package, yeah. Okay. And then you will get the card JPKM when you having some problem with illness. You bring the card to the hospital. You must bring the card to the hospital or to the clinic Pajajaran Jatinangor. Yeah. Okay, Mbak, next. JPKM cover two facilities, outpatient and inpatient. And the second is inpatient. For outpatient, next one, we cover 12 specialist doctor. Yeah, internist, obstetric and gynecology, general surgery, eye, ENT, skin and genitalia, nerve, heart, orthopedic surgery. But this is only general, not subspecialist. Yeah. Lung medical rehabilitation. Okay, diagnostic and therapeutic medical super service based on the doctor referral, yeah, not you by yourself, yeah. Okay, like radiological examination without contrast, CT scan of the head, only head, yeah. Without contrast, maximum once a year. Yeah. Okay. Electrocardiography examination, electroencephalography examination is same with the CT scan once a year. Ultrasound examination with the Doppler. Ear examination include tympanometry and audiogram. As with that, you must pay by yourself. Yeah. Eye examination, we cover refractometry, retinoscopy, keratometry, tonometry, and fundoscopy. Yeah, and then lung examination, we cover spirometry, endoscopy examination, we cover rectal sigmoidoscopy, laryngoscopy, and then treatment examination is by heart doctor. Maximum once a year. Okay, diagnosis and therapeutic medical super service is only by doctor's referral and medical indication like hematology, hematosis, immunology, blood chemistry. The number of blood chemistry tests, we only cover 5 items. Yeah, if more than 5 items, you must pay. So if the doctor said you must test like this, just call us what the test can cover. Okay, and then we pathology, gallbladder like that, pathology, urine for pregnancy test, paper test, urine routine, and feces. Okay, rehabilitation service too. We cover two for nutrition consultation by nutrition. Yes, only by nutritionist, not for the nutrition doctor. Yeah, so only by consultation general. Yeah. Okay, and then physiological consultation at psychology clinic, excluding physiological tests. And then that is only for just consultation at the beginning. Yeah. For the more consultation, you can cover. Yeah. You cannot cover sessions. You must pay. Only for the beginning consultation. Yeah. And then physiotherapy procedures are covered maximum 5 times in a month. So if you need some diathermy, like you have a low back pain and you must get a physiotherapy. You must get EKG, diathermy, or you you have asthma. You must nebulizer. Only 5 times a month. Yeah. Next. Okay. 24-hour emergency service. This is for emergency when you get illness that the doctor said this is to emergency or not. So if the doctor said it's not true emergency, the JPKM will not cover. Yeah. So the determination of emergency is determined by doctor or medical officer on duty in emergency. What case the specific for true emergency, like heart attack, vomit with dehydration, diarrhea with dehydration, asthma, worse headache, confusion, accident, life-threatening symptoms. Yeah, so you can go to the emergency department. Okay. We cover medicine that in accordance with the standard JPKM formulary. So outside from the standard JPKM, you must pay. So the admission will contact us to say this medicine is covered or not. Okay, but is the medicine didn't cover, the solution we will ask or we will tell to admission to change the medicine with the standard JPKM. Okay, so JPKM will cover the standard your medicine. Okay, then dentist we cover for dentist too, because you get the executive package, so you got the dentist, but only examination by dentist and medicine. Yeah, fixed tooth filling action like glass ionomer, temporary fillings and ordinary tooth extraction action without complication. If you need some more treatment for the dentist, we cannot cover. If the dentist tell you to go to the more treatment in the hospital, we cannot cover. Okay, only maximum 3 times per month. Yeah, and then we cannot cover in hospital. We only cover at clinic Pajajaran Jatinangor at Kolonial Ahmad Syam Jatinangor. Okay.
Not the hospital, but one the
Clinic, only clinic.
in that way in the street. Not
Yeah.
the big hospital.
Yeah. For the dentist ya.
Ya, jelas.
Jalan Ahmad Syam di Jatinangor.
Nama yang terkenal itu jalan saya.
Ya.
Jalan saya,
Iya.
jalan saya.
Only for the dentist. But if you another illness, you can go to the hospital. Yeah. Only for the dentist, you must go to the clinic, not to the hospital. We cover only at the clinic. Yeah. Not cover at hospital. Okay. Okay. This is inpatient facilities. If you the doctor said you must inpatient, so we give you platform for the inpatient facilities. Yeah, this is the platform for the room, surgery, medicine, primary, specialist, ambulance, and intensive care per day. Okay, we have before your member active, so inpatient waiting period will get started. So you must waiting for 14 days after your member active. Yeah, and then 6 months for disease diagnosis like this: asthma, diabetes, tuberculosis, gout, rheumatoid, osteoporosis, hypertension, heart, blood vessel, and all their complications. This is 6 months. You will wait until after your member active. Yeah. Next month. And waiting for 12 months, like any kind of tumor, tonsils, hemorrhoid, cataracts, damage to the stomach, or duodenum, disease of the nasal cavity that require surgery, endometriosis, gallstones, stones in the urinary system, struma like thyroid, nodule in your thyroid, yeah, hernia, sinus condition that require surgery. Okay. How about the treatment procedure? When you get illness, you feel I'm not in good condition, you can go to the hospital. Member of JPKM Surya Sumirat, bring your card, and don't forget bring your card and show to the admission, and then show by JPKM card, and then you can go to St. Borromeo's Hospital or AMC Hospital. You can choose Borromeo's or AMC. Where the hospital near beside your house or yeah your life, yeah, your stay, yeah. Okay, if you feel can wait the doctor specialist, you can go to specialist doctor. But if you didn't
Cannot handle the pain.
cannot handle the pain, you can go to emergency room. Okay, the emergency room is 24 hours. Yeah, if the specialist medicine, if the specialist doctor give you medical, you can go to the pharmacy and then you can take your medicine. Same like emergency room, if you have a medical support, you can go to a pharmacy. But if your specialist doctor said you must inpatient, so you can hospitalization report to JPKM maximum 2 times 24 hours to contact us, to say, to tell, to inform me, to inform us if you get the inpatient hospital. Okay. All costs outside the Bapak JPKM Surya Sumirat facility are paid directly by member at the service place. Okay. This is our customer service contact online hotline service. You can contact 24 hours if you have any question or any problem for your card or for the admission or for the procedure. You can contact us for 24 hours. You can save the number. Yeah. But if you the card in the behind, yeah, yeah, we put the number. This is your card. This is your name, your number, and this is mahasiswa asing. This is for the period of the member active. Your card, yeah. This is customer service hotline. Yeah, this is for the office, and this is for the service 24 hours. Okay. Next one. Yes, this is Boromir Saint Hospital. In front of our office is Rumah Sakit Boromir. Is Saint Hospital Boromir. Yeah. And AMC Cileunyi Hospital is Jalan Raya Cileunyi number 1. Yeah, you can go, okay, or you can choose where you, which one, the hospital near you. Okay, the JPKM Surat 9 doesn't cover one, not follow JPKM procedure. Yeah, if you want by self, you want, or you go to the another specialist, exclude the 12 doctor, JPKM not cover, yeah, not follow, yeah. Every facilities outside JPKM coverage, ambulance for outpatient, circumcision, like yeah, you know that circumcision, you know, yeah. US ultrasonography with Doppler, radiology with contrast, CT scan, MRI, endoscopy, we not cover. Medicine outside the JPKM formulary, supplement herbs at your own request, we not cover. Chemotherapy, laser procedure, oral cosmetic surgery, operational speech therapy, we not cover. Costs that have been covered by other insurance unless there is in difference plan. So we don't have the double claim. Yeah, if you use the JPKM, just use the JPKM. But if you have assurance, another insurance, you use the another insurance. So we didn't double claim. Yeah. Okay, medical checkup and vaccination, and then aesthetic surgery, treatment, dialysis, glasses, assistive device, non-medical, and then treatment of congenital defects, disorder, mental disorder, HIV, AIDS, IRC, cancer, lupus, ATP. We didn't cover. Treatment or illness or injury as related to the use of the alcohol. If you get accident because of alcohol, you didn't cover. So please, yeah, remember that. Don't forget to take care of yourself, yeah. Oral surgery clinic, orthodontic clinic, permanent bereavement and disability compensation. You can scan barcode, yeah, for the guidebook. This is English version. So if you have any question or it's not clear, you can contact us to hotline service 24 hours. Okay? Thank you. Okay, this is contact us, marketing, JPKM, Instagram, Facebook. Don't forget to follow the Instagram JPKM, subscribe and like. Okay, thank you. Any questions?
There is any unclear explanations? Questions? Let us today.
Paling yang ini yang tadi infection rawat inap. Kalau lewat jalan bisa langsung digunakan. Kalau lewat inap nanti aja. Jadi yang masa tunggu itu hanya untuk rawat inap. Kalau yang sekarang sakit kan ada yang baru didaftarin 2024. Dan kalau dihadir nggak ya di sini saya. Ada nggak Bu yang baru 2024 nya hadir nggak? Paling semua 2024 kan baru didaftarin September ya. September, Oktober, November. Jadi masih kena masa rawat inap. Kalau rawat jalan langsung aja dibuatkan gitu.
So guys,
Rawat inap 14 hari untuk semua penyakit, 6 bulan untuk dari beberapa penyakit, sama 12 bulan untuk operasi.
tapi kalau
Rawat inap
rawat jalan aja
langsung
ya.
bisa.
So there is like a waiting period you've seen before, right? But that's only for the inpatient treatment. So if you're going to have like treatment from outpatient, like you're already getting medication and stuff, you can just directly show the card and you will get medications. But the waiting period is for when you want to go like inpatient for hospitalizations. And the waiting period for inpatient for like all kind of illness is 14 days after you get the you're subscribed to the insurance policy.
6 bulan sama 12 bulan.
And then also 6 months and 12 months for other illness that is also stated before.
Yeah, the spelling of my name are incorrect on this card that your brother decide to use this like Sumra or Somya.
Kalau ada namanya salah,
Itu nggak apa-apa nggak?
jadi namanya dia salah.
We will change the card. Yeah.
It has to be changed. If there is any mistakes in your name, it has to be changed. So please check your card.
Ya. Yang benarnya mana?
Salah typo nama.
Oh baik.
Yes.
We unfortunately lost our card. Then we have
Oh,
emergency.
Yeah, you can contact us. You can contact us. We will give you the stock file of the card.
It's very important to knowledge your card.
You can use the stock file card to the admission. Only you show the stock file card.
I have a question. Like, apart from this disease information, are there any kind of diseases or that are out of the insurance? Because I once went to AMC it covers the some of the things and the medications that are covered.
Yeah.
By the
Yeah, because we cover only for the standard facilities JPKM, the medicine. Yeah. So, yeah, the medicine kita obatnya dia bayar obat ya, bayar obat karena di luar standar.
Is it like the medications that is not covered or the treatment? The medications. So for this insurance, they have certain standard of medications that they can cover. For any other medication that is not aligned with their standards, they couldn't cover that. However, the solution is you can contact them and they will speak to the officer, the admissions of the hospital to change to the another alternatives of the medications. It's like same medication, just maybe different brands, but same.
So what would be the reasoning for them not covering? Like what is the standards that the
Standard kenapa aku
The
bisa beda?
hospital have the standard of the JPKM.
Kenapa bisa ada?
Ya,
Obat yang cover ada obat
Yeah,
yang enggak.
because we only cover
so it's like Johnson
not
and
patent
Johnson's versus
karena ya asuransi punya batasan ya.
so the three forms
Ada
Because every insurance company they have their own limitations for certain like brands.
For example,
Not all.
What happened that day is I asked them, like, can we change this kind of medication? Like, maybe give me another one which is covered by the insurance. They said, sorry, we can't change because this is the kind of medication we can give you and it's not covered by the insurance.
Oh,
Ya.
jadi dokternya mungkin ngeresepinnya obat yang emang nggak ada.
Ya, kalau memang ada memang ada betul.
Oh,
Karena mungkin nggak ada yang generiknya, jadi emang untuk penyakit itu emang harus yang patennya, jadi sudah ada jenisnya, jadi dia harus.
so unfortunately, maybe you got a medication for like a specialized. It's not generic. It was
Bahasa generic.
it was a generic illness. What medication?
What the you can
The disease is what?
Only say
Oh, no.
You can consult
Yeah,
online
you can like consult better.
Dia WhatsAppin aja. Jadi mereka kalau ada bayar di luar standar boleh dikonfirmasi ke kita, dikirim aja di fotonya ke WhatsApp tadi hotline. You can get the reimburse if the hospital take the price for you.
Yeah. I
And
remember one
if
time
you
I
have
faced that kind of thing.
Yeah.
I bought for myself and then I request for reimburse.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you can have a
But I don't
reimbursement.
know now.
Yeah. Just contact us.
But like the most important is do not forget to confirm to them. Yeah, just contact them.
You may confirm before taking the medication or confirm after.
When you are
Before you pay.
before you pay, when you're in the hospital in the administrations, contact them to confirm about the medications.
So we can talk with the admission.
Yeah.
How about the solution? So you do not take the medicine outside the fasilitas CPN. But if you supplement, yeah. If you get supplement, herb, we don't cover it. Yeah.
Can we find all the information that we have been through today in this list?
Itu di guide-nya
Yeah.
ada semua. Everything is included in the QR code.
Click executive package.
Oh yeah.
The book, click executive package.
Have like
Ajar anak bos kalau kuliah jadi di luar
ada deadline-nya nggak buat recording?
No, kan show class. Monday until Saturday, 7 p.m. until 31 and then for 90 days we can cover the rent.
The reimbursement limitation is 3 months. So within 3 months you have to
And 14 days we process the reimburse. So I must try to use my card as
the dentist clinic.
No,
The hospital.
yeah.
Yang hall masyarakat tempat itu.
Oh, kita enggak.
Where yang hospital bukan untuk hospital.
Jangan sayang, jangan sayang.
Yeah.
Clinic when you say
It's the dentist. It's in the Sayang Street.
Oh,
It's only for dentists.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's right.
But like, unless you go to the AMC or the Borromeus in Manila. Yeah, AMC is the most effective one. This is the closest. So facilities.
Pokoknya buat kalau informasi yang baru jadi nggak boleh
Yeah.
paling cuma program
For like dentists, you cannot go to the hospital for the dentist treatment. You can, yeah, you can only go to the clinic in Sayang Street.
What about X-ray?
X-ray without contrast we cover. X-ray without contrast. Photo ronsen. X-ray for your chest is covered without contrast. Example MRI without contrast. Yeah.
Accident, broken,
MRI. Yeah, without contrast we can cover. Without yang biasa cairan like inject the fluid. So the gambarnya jadi lebih terang jadinya. Pokoknya yang ronsen biasa. Yang itu
Not like advanced one. It's like the usual adjusted version. Because like there's like some type of like more advanced where you can see a lot of disease in your your lungs with like a more advanced MRI. So they only cover like the Oh no, it's not. It's AMC. AMC. Kasih tahu ya. Yes,
Why the ultrasound without a Doppler?
because in the advanced yes. So we
Without a
all,
Doppler, it is advanced test.
yeah, advanced test. We only cover the ultrasonography general.
No, because the Doppler is the main thing, and the ultrasound they detect levels and stimulate the blood regulation,
Yeah,
especially in case of women.
yeah, but not only for the woman. Food.
The women have pregnancy problem, baby problem.
Yeah, but the USG is
Of all the things saying,
Yes,
with daftar, ya USG perut, USG macam-macam.
USG is not only the
Only
woman for pregnancy. USG like lower abdomen, you have the appendicitis, or you have the colic abdomen. Yeah, you can USG, you can get the ultrasonography. So USG is not only for the woman's pregnancy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Clear?
How would they do the procedure without a doctor? I'm also curious because you need the gel, right?
No, doctor is not like you didn't use gel.
Oh, okay.
Doppler is the advanced USG. Like the contrast X-ray is advanced for the X-ray. Yeah.
Okay, but you still use the gel.
Yeah,
Okay,
of course.
that is the key. If that's the case, then it's fine. It's understand.
Yeah.
There's no need for a doctor. That is the case.
On the Boromeo phone? Okay. Another person? In case if you got accident, but not go to hospital Borromeus or AMC, you can go to another hospital. But if that is to emergency, yeah, and then you can reimburse to us for the during the payment. Okay, if the doctor said it is to emergency. But outside the Borromeus Hospital or AMC, you can reimburse to us. Yeah.
Let's say you're in Jakarta and you get sick. You're not near any hospital.
You can reimburse to us. Yeah. Yeah. You can reimburse. It's like illness or emergency. But only one terlalu sering gitu di luar kotanya. So not too often. You not stay long gitu. Oh, if you don't stay long in that city. So if you're only there for like not stay for a long time, then it's considered okay. Like how much?
How long?
Lama, ya sebulan lah kan nggak. Kalau 3 bulan udah stay gitu. If it's 3 months, then you're staying. So like only 1 month. You with them 1 month, I guess. Not outside Indonesia ya. We didn't cover. If you go to another, we didn't cover. Australia, we didn't cover. So only in Indonesia. Bali, okay.
I would like to say one thing. To be honest, like I went many times. I had a very great experience. But the one thing which I noticed when that the entry takes a lot of time, a long time. I mean that first provide the first aid to the patient, and after that you can entry whatever you want. So we went there, and he was bleeding at that time, and nobody take care of himself for this one. So I mean that taking entry it takes a lot of time. You can get free first aid, and after that you can take entry whatever you want.
Okay, I know your problem, but it's the problem of hospital.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we cannot intervention for the hospital, for the lung procedure or for the situation like they give your medicine so long or the doctor didn't check you for the lately we didn't intervention the hospital. So if you have the complaint, you can go to the hospital.
I mean that at least provide the first aid to the patient, and after that whatever the entry, whatever they want, you
Yeah,
can
that
do.
is
But
the
then-
hospital procedure.
oh
We
yeah.
only penjamin,
You only assure your
insurance.
Yeah. Mungkin kalau ke MR itu lebih cepat ditanganinya kali ya.
Ya tetap prosedurnya di hospital
Lama
ya.
Berarti ini
Because
kompleksnya penanganannya
Iya,
lama ya.
yeah, yeah. Entry take a lot of time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it sure
I know.
does.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sure does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ya.
We will accept your problem. We will talk to the hospital,
Yes.
but kami tidak menjamin for the because the
Can we make sure
there are other parties.
Hanya memberi
Yeah,
masukan.
the only insurance.
Hardly a human possible. नहीं है कैसे तो क्यों आपने उसके साथ रजिस्ट्रेशन दी Unfortunately, there was not a single doctor.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, there was not a single doctor even.
Yeah,
In
I
the
know.
AMC.
I know.
Yeah, at AMG.
Yeah.
We waited for 2 hours.
Yeah.
His leg was bleeding.
Yeah, I know.
And at that time, who was a technician? I think he's already studying here at biological sciences, and gave him one tablet like a beggar. One tablet. And it was also a horrible company.
Yeah, we will accept your problem. We will
We'll figure out the solutions to
go to the hospital.
Because this is the
So I
hospital.
think this is the primary reason JPKM.
They're currently searching for another hospital center.
Yeah.
That is more
That's why we are
There's no
requesting
better.
that it was changed to the Roma Sarit and Hospital to divide.
Maybe. Let's hope. Let's hope.
Inshallah, yes.
Yang bertanya banyak tapi saya dong. Tadi mungkin yang nanyanya banyak dan
It's a gift for those of you who ask.
nanya ya. Nanya nggak? Yang penting ini yang nanya ini. Satu lagi ada yang bertanya? Mas Jawa ini yang Mas Jawa yang kata-kata?
Ya.
Mas Jawa kata-kata.
Mas Jawa yang kata-kata. Ini ada yang dekat ke kota baru nggak? Oke, we give you some voucher. Voucher
Mereka walaupun jauh pasti mereka pada datang ke sini.
Rumah sakit Chandra Kauludian, Kota Baru Parahyangan ya. Voucher for laboratory test 25% discountnya, and voucher for dengue vaccine because we not cover vaccine and general check up.
Ada yang buka.
Oh gitu ya.
Nanti we hope ya next we will
Give the GoPay.
Is it all clear, guys? Do you have any further questions? Or you guys can simply contact the number of this. I think it's all done. All clear.
Thank you for
Thank you.
having us.
Thank you.
Thank you for your Buat di Jakarta nggak bisa. Jalan-jalannya ke kota baru aja. Naik bus. Oh dari aku buat aku. Dari aku buat aku.